Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today I'm going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm base box, August 2021. And hi, if you are new here, like I said, my name is Jennifer, and if you are into unboxings and general beauty and makeup stuff, I am your girl. But I do talk about subjects regarding agoraphobia and the like, and if you are interested in both or either or topic, then I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell and set it to all, because I am posting almost every day this week. And if you want to know what is in my boxy base box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Now, if you are interested in makeup, we are having a giveaway. I will leave the link down below for you to go check it out. And it is a mystery bag giveaway, so that makes it even more intriguing. So if you are new, I highly suggest you go check that out. And as far as BoxyCharm goes, this is the $25 a month box. I will also leave a link to BoxyCharm down below. And I pay for this myself. I am not on the PR list yet. Here's to hoping. But, yeah, I pay for this myself. The theme this month is Go All Out. And let's start with what I picked out, what my choice was. And it was the Purlisse Ageless Glow Suited BB Cream with SPF 40. And I picked the shade Fair. So let's take a look and see what this says. A multitasking serum infused beauty balm that contains bakuchiol, okay, I don't know how to pronounce that, algae collagen and vitamin C to firm the skin's elasticity, brighten and moisturize, while providing full natural glowy coverage and protecting your skin with SPF 40. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand. Okay, that looks like a good match for me. So I think I picked well. So that was my choice for this month. Okay, the next thing I see in here, it looks really fun, is the Ditto Venus palette. That's what she looks like on the outside there. And on the inside, she looks like that. That is really cute. It has names like Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Moon, a lot of moons, I think, names of different moons. Let's swatch some of these. That's that glittery looking shade right there. This was Venus. It was a very light color, almost like a topper shade, I would say. So that's a fun looking palette. I look forward to playing around with that. Let's see what it says. Ditto Cosmetics, limited edition Venus 12 shade palettes. Float through the stars with this limited edition palette. It represents the planet Venus with 12 shades that embody glittering gold to warm neutral brown colors. The opaque, high pigmented satin soft formula provides an adhesive for multiple beautiful shades ranging from matte, shimmery, creamy, ultra shiny glitter, and shimmer with sparkle to create your glam look. Okay, again, that's what she looks like right there. Okay, next I have Voilation Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil. I'll take it out so you can see it better. Let's see what this says. Voilation Beauty Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil. A daily treatment oil with hibiscus flower and licorice root to minimize the appearance of dark spots and discoloration as it soothes and nurtures. MSRP $48. Okay, I forgot to say the MSRP of this is $29.99 and the MSRP of this right here is $38. Okay, so I've got another serum. I love serums. Or this is an oil. I love oils and serums together. I don't discriminate. Okay. Next, looks like we have some beauty wipes. It says, I Am Beauty Care, Dead Sea Mineral and Charcoal Makeup Remover Wipes. Okay, I Am Beauty Care Charcoal plus Dead Sea Minerals Makeup Remover Wipes. These wipes are infused with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals to detoxify your pores and clear away all traces of dirt, oil, makeup, and impurities. Keep your skin clean anywhere and anytime, no excuses. The wipes are formulated to deep clean, purify, and detoxify your skin. Leave impurities behind without irritation and experience real glow. Okay. I don't use makeup remover wipes to take off my makeup. I use them like in videos like this to wipe off swatches and when I'm doing my makeup to clean off my hands and such as that. But so this Dead Sea Minerals and all that, it's just lost on me. So I don't know. I'm just not impressed, really, with that. Just give me a good old Neutrogena makeup wipe. Okay, the fifth thing I have in here is AMNH Skincare Starry Collagen Gel Pads. Alright. It just says Collagen Gel Pads to reduce wrinkles and dark circles. That's all it says. Alright. I like me a good gel pad. I like it. Alright. So, the MSRP on these were, $12. Okay. And the MSRP on this is $32 for some eye pads. There's 5 gel pads in there. So, what do I think about my BoxyCharm? Well, I am always glad to get some BB cream. I love some BB cream, some tinted moisturizer, whatever, what have you. And I think this is cute, but I haven't tried it out yet, so I can't really give my opinion on it yet. And as far as this goes, I like it. The correcting oil, I like it. I'm ready. I'm excited about the gel iPads. And this, I could take it or leave it, really. I already have a stash of wipes. All I need wipes for is to wipe swatches off my hands and to clean makeup off my hands while I'm doing my makeup, because I use my hands a lot to do my makeup. So I will put down right here the retail price of my BoxyCharm. It costs $25, as you know. And I give this one a 3.5 out of 5 stars, I would say. And tell me if you get BoxyCharm, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you got or what you think about my box. Are we Boxy twins? And leave me a like. It would really help me out, and it just takes a second for you to do. And yeah, again, leave me comments. Lots of comments. And yeah, I just hope you are having a great day today, a fantastic, fantabulous day today. And if you are not, then I hope your day gets better. Something comes along and cheers you up or makes it better for you. And if you are going through an especially hard time, then I am sending you all the good vibes to hopefully do something. But I know that getting better just takes time. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And I will see you in another unboxing video tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully. I will see you then. Okay, goodbye.